Hi kindergartners! Today we are starting our basketball unit and we are going to start by learning how to dribble the ball. To keep it simple, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to bounce the ball with two hands and catch it. We want to try to keep the ball at our belly button or lower. So you're going to bounce and catch, bounce, catch, bounce, catch, bounce, catch. You try for a while. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to practice pushing the ball with your favorite hand. So you have to decide which hand you want to use for dribbling because you're only allowed to use one. Once you choose that hand, you're going to put that hand on top of the ball and push the ball with your finger pads. That means when I put my hands together, I'm not touching the ball with the middle of my hand, but only my fingers. So I put my favorite hand on top of the ball and I'm going to push it down towards the ground and catch. Push, catch. Push, catch. Push, catch. Push, catch. You try. The next thing we're going to try to do is we're going to build on our push catch with our favorite hand. We're going to push the ball down to the ground, let it bounce up towards our belly button, and then I'm going to push it a second time with that same hand. Then I'm going to catch it. So a push, push, catch. Looks like this. Push, push, catch. Push, push, catch. Push, push, catch. You try. Now let's try what I call waterfall dribbling. You're going to see how many dribbles you can get in a row, but first you have to start with one. Starting with that favorite hand, you're going to hold your hand on top of that ball and you're going to push the ball down to the ground once and you're going to catch it. Push, catch. If you make that first single push catch, then you're going to move on to two pushes and a catch. 1, 2, catch. If I make it, then I move on to 3. 1, 2, 3. Then I would get to move on to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I move on to 5. If when I'm doing 5 I miss, then I have to stick with 5 until I get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I get it, I can move on to the next highest number. See how high you can get. Your next challenge in dribbling is to be able to dribble while you are moving around. So instead of just dribbling in place with correct form, now you're going to try to walk around and be able to move while you are dribbling. It doesn't necessarily matter where you move, but your goal is to keep that ball under control using your pads of your fingers, keeping the ball belly button or lower, and watching where you're going. Good luck!